Oh, Lord, bruh. Well, some unfortunate news. People are bombing each other, like for real, in some countries. I haven't really read the news, but that's very unfortunate. So, here's my spreadsheet before I get into the trades. Uh, we got schmacked really hard today, like stupidly hard. I do still have positions open, so it's all in alphabetical order now. So I got coin right here, right? If you see coin, this is a options trade. So I'm swinging a call. I really hope it goes my way. What else we got? This CVAC, that's a new trade. We're up. We were about to hit our target. We'll get into that soon. Um, okay, hello. We're still doing good. I mean, we dropped some numbers, but it's all right. And then we'll get into the new trades that I took and all the trades that I lost on. YSG is still doing us pretty good. We took a hit on that today still, but yep. Overall, we are still up $413. So freaking sick. And then the closed trades and break-even trades, whopping 45 bucks. Isn't that sick? Anyway, let's get into this. So as you can see, didn't do so hot at all. Uh, like there's like honestly, man, like there's really not much to go over besides what we're in on now. Uh, so we had to close out some trades, bro. Oh, GRR, we closed this out for because it hit our break even stop, so we profited 90 bucks overall. INTC. Okay, so I was in this call. We only lost $3 on it. I was in this call. No, put. I was in a put. But didn't work our way. Didn't go our way. IZEA. IZEA, dude. Dude, honestly, man, like all these trades, ooh, let me go on the other chart. All these trades, bro, like just aren't. They weren't doing good at all. And there was slippage on a lot of these, like a lot of slippage because of the overnight action. Like IZA was a lot of slippage. LMFD was a lot of slippage. Lost 106 on that. PayPal, I got into what was it, a put? I think I got into a put on this. Lost a put contract. I went in on Tesla. Got into I think it was a put on, no, a call. Yeah, no, it was a put on Tesla. Lost on that. Like I'm going in light, as you can see. I only lost 25 bucks on these puts. UPXI 140, like all those stocks that we took a hit on. Like, bro, you see what I'm saying? This was UPXI today. This was like the whole market. As you can see, it's down like 1%. I'm not, I don't want to bullshit any of y'all. Like, today was just a horrible day for the market. USAU. See USAU. See what I'm saying, dude? Completely, dude. Completely just fucked. This didn't hit our stop. We could still be in it, but after seeing the attempt breakout right here, after seeing the attempted breakout here, I just called it quits. I was like, I'm taking it on the chin, and like at the same time, man, like I'm not mad, bro. I'm not mad that we took a loss because we can't control the world news at all. If someone says something wrong or 1 + 1 is 5, it's shit happens. USAU, USEG. Okay, so shout out my boy Billy, bro. The one stock here. Let me show you this USEG, bro. The one stock that I was like, oh, I gotta go in on it, but I didn't have enough like cash in my account because I had so many other positions open. So I was like, yo, Billy, go in on this. See if this trade works out. Just go in light. Bro, this man made $100 in his sleep because it gapped up. Because like that day, like this day when it broke out, it hit the first target, and I was like, all right, like if you want, just like put it at break even. Next thing you know, we wake up next morning, it gapped up. Look at that, gapped up. So he made money in his sleep, and I was like, let's go. I was so hyped for him. And then, of course, it's the one trade that I didn't get in, and it works out. It's ridiculous. Let's see. Why is she? CVAC. Okay, CVAC is something I'm in on still. So we gapped up on CVAC, right? This was a gap up trade. And I got in somewhere. I don't even know where I got in. Where did I get in? Hold on. Okay, I got in at 550. I actually have to put that down. We got in at 550 because we saw a nice, a nice 5-minute candle volume coming in. I could have gotten in on here, get a better feel, but I don't know. We got in here, and we almost hit our target, but then, of course, with our fucking luck, we were a cent away. A cent away. We'll see what happens when we open back up on Monday morning. Pays, that's Pays. Did I get out? No, I'm still in Pays. Pays, dude. I think Pays is still setting up. I'm still in here. I think it's setting up again. Like, you look, large move up, boom, breakout. Got in super late. Like, that was slippage. This was slippage. Got in super late. Another large move up, and we're consolidating. So if we consolidate even more, I just might add. It's just a short video, bro, because I'm a little frustrated, but other than that, we are up barely. Like, we're like barely surviving. Let me get my spreadsheet back up. Like, we're still okay. Kinda. So we'll see. Especially with my coin call option and CVAC. The rest of the trades are at break even. I'm gonna try to find some. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna try to find some more setups during the weekend and just go over things and shit. So this was just a quick video. But yeah, man, tough day. Actually, tough past 2 days because of the news and everything. So very unfortunate, but we have no control over that. We're still here. We're still in profit. Like, at the end of the day, at the end of the week, we're still green. We're still green. And on top of that, we're sitting on 10K profit, but I'm not counting NVIDIA, SPY, and my index fund. Or, yeah, my, not index fund, my money management fund, whatever it's called. Regardless if I sold it all, I'd make $10,000. Like, I'm fine with that. But I'm only including the trades that I've been taking. That's all I've been doing. So regardless, we are still up money. I really can't complain. So we're just gonna try to do better next week and make better decisions and watch out for worldly news. And yeah, hope everyone has a good weekend. Hope y'all made money. See y'all next video. Peace.